Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to unlock bots on Chase.com. Open the Chase.com application. Normally, you'll be able to play with bots on Chase.com, but some of the bots will be locked. In order to play with the bots, you can tap on the option Play. Tap on the option Play Bots. If you have the free account, you'll only have access to limited bots. Some of the bots will be locked. In order to access them, you'll have to subscribe to Chase.com Premium membership. You can simply tap on the bot that you would like to unlock. Once you do that, you'll be able to find this option for try for $0. What you can do is tap on it. Tap on the option Try Again. You'll be prompted to subscribe to the membership. You can find the option for Diamond, Platinum and Gold. Depending on the premium membership, you'll be able to access different kind of bots. So what you have to do is simply find the membership that you would like to subscribe for. Once you do that, tap on the option Yearly or Monthly. Tap on the option Try. Follow through the prompts, enter the payment details. Complete the payment and the bots will be unlocked. Like this, you'll be able to unlock bots on Chase.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.